Hi, today I'm going to be telling you if Honeygain is real or fake. So basically, Honeygain advertised themselves by saying you can start earning with Honeygain just by sharing your connection. No extra effort needed. So it's kind of like passive income, right? So if you join now, in fact, you'll get a $2 starting gift. So not bad, right? So it's basically unlock earnings while you surf the web. The thing that you do is like you bandwidth share. You can also have daily tasks, referrals as well. So if you invite your friends, and they invite with your and they sign up with your link, they'll get $5 achievements and also content delivery. Now, is it real or is it fake? It's legit, but the earnings of course depends on your region, right? But the good thing we know here is that it has a review on Trustpilot here, and on Trustpilot they have really favorable reviews, over 4.6. It's pretty high, so you can tell that it's probably real and it's legit. It has a lot of good reviews. One person has been using Honeycane for 6 years. One has been using it for 7 years, 11 years. Good app for unused internet. So it's real, it's not fake. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.